In this video, I'll show you how to find and check your PayPal account number on your phone step by step. By the way, if you're a business owner, PayPal might not be the best solution for you, but I'll explain more about that later in the video. In order to find or check my PayPal account number on phone, first open the PayPal app on your phone and log into your account. Once you're logged in, tap on Finances at the bottom of the screen. On this page, you'll see your PayPal account details, including your account number and routing number. Next, tap the small information icon next to the account number if you want to reveal it. You can also tap More Details to view additional information about your account number, routing number, and direct deposit options. PayPal is decent, but personally, I prefer MoneyGram for day-to-day money transfers, especially if you live in the US or Canada. If you're worried about online fraud, they even have physical locations near you where you can make transfers in person. There's a link in the description below to create a free account. But if you run a business or plan to start one, Airwallex is a much better option. You can send and receive money from all over the world, in many different currencies. It's a complete business banking account that goes way beyond what PayPal offers. There should be a video popping up on your screen now. It's a detailed Airwallex review covering everything you need to know. Click the video to start watching.